snuck right up on him, right? I bet you there is an awesome view there. All right, coming up on Balsam Summit. I was here once in the winter in the middle of the night, and now we're back. All right, we are leaving Balsam Summit. We're gonna go over Haynes, which is not a SOTA summit, and then hit Eagle. It was really cold and started pouring, so we hung up a tarp and couldncouldn't get single sideband going. So we'll try again on this summit, but I don't know. Morse code came through. We have made it to Eagle. Right as we started to pack up, it started downpouring. Luckily, I had the radio put away. And yeah, we are on our way down from Eagle. And that will conclude today's hike and activation.